Doppler effect is applicable to both sound and light waves. It also has a very important application in our everyday lives. Okay, a hooter on a stationary train emits sound with a frequency of 520 Hz as detected by a person standing on the platform. Assume that the speed of sound is 340 meters per second in still air. Calculate the wavelength of sound detected by the person. Now, a hoot of a stationary train emits detected by the person standing on the train. So, la into eyenzakalayo nganza kwethu kune-train and kukhona umuntu omile la. Le train stationary. I-emitter mayishaya i-hoot, frequency of a source, i-frequency yakhona u-520 Hz. Nalo muntu umile eduze kwe-train, frequency of a list. Since eme eduze kwe-train, i-frequency ayizwayo kwamanje u-520 Hz. Frequency elilalelwe ilo muntu lo. Then the speed of sound in air u-340 meters per second. Isithi question, ake usitholele i-wavelength yalo msindo olalelwe yilo muntu olalele. Wavelength of the sound detected by the person. Sifuna i-wavelength yale frequency umuntu ayizwile. Uzwe i-frequency engakanani? Uzwe i-frequency eproduced i-train njengoba injalo because bame endaweni eyodwa njengamanje. So bathi asicalculate ini i-wavelength. So i-formula ozoyisebenzisa nansi. Frequency of a listener is equal to the speed of sound in air over wavelength. Loya V nkosi yami akusiyena u-VL, akusiyena u-VS, but kuyohlezi kuyi-speed of sound in air. Frequency 520, 340 divided by wavelength. Wavelength siyaswiper, lo naloya siyabaswiper. About 340 divided by 520. Just do the swiping la. Sithatha loya uya laphaya, sithatha yena loya uza la, ashintshana. Then so about 340 divided by 520. Okuzosikhiphela bani? I-wavelength kuzoba 0,6538 meters. Nkosi yami i-wavelength is measured in meters. Hawu, i-wavelength iyafana ne-distance. Siyi-measure in meters. Okay. Now they say calculate the wavelength of sound detected by the person when the train moves towards him or her at a constant speed of 15 meters per second with a hooter still emitting. Manje siyashintsha-ke indaba. Sekuthiwa siphinde sicalculate yona le wavelength le. But manje sesiyi-calculator, i-train isiyeza ngakuye, okusho ukuthi sebephinde baqhelelana ngandlela thile. And i-train isine-velocity ehamba ngayo before beyi-stationary. Ake sithrowe i-situation ngabusha-ke manje. Sikhombise lento eshiwo i-statement. Ukuthi lo muntu lo akasamile eduze ne-train, but lo muntu useme buqamama and i-train iza ngakuye. Into esiyitholayo ukuthi i-velocity of a source noma velocity ye-train iwu-15 meters per per second. Kuthiwa asitholeni i-wavelength yalo msindo olalelwe ilo muntu. Kusho ukuthi kufanele siqale sithole i-frequency yalo muntu ayizwayo bese sithola i-wavelength ehambisana naleyo frequency leyo-ke. Sothi-ke since lo siyatshena ukuthi is moving towards, basitshenile lokho ukuthi train is moving towards the listener. Frequency of a listener is equal to V plus or minus velocity of a listener, V plus or minus velocity of a source times frequency of a source. Frequency of a listener sifuna yona speed of sound in air 340 over 340. Velocity of a listener stationary mile, we assume mile if abasitshenanga. Velocity of a source sitsheniwe ukuthi ihamba ngo-15 meters per second, then multiply by frequency emitted by the train is 520 hertz. Sitsheniwe ukuthi the train is moving toward him or her. Okusho ukuthi fanele silindele ukuzwa i-frequency enkulu kunalo 520. Kushuthi ngenhla sizoba no-positive, ngezansi sibe no-negative because sizothola inamba enkulu kuno-520. 340 plus 0 over 340 minus 15 times 520. Kusikhiphela u-544 hertz. Bebefuna yona le frequency cha. Bafuna i-wavelength yale frequency elalelwe yilo muntu lo. Sesizothi-ke frequency of a listener is equal to V over lambda. Bafuna i-wavelength 544. Speed of sound in air 340. Wavelength. Then we swipe. Wavelength is lapha. Frequency of a listener ibuyela ngaphansi. Then khathi siyayithola i-wavelength ukuthi izokuba. So it will be 340 divided by 544. Kuzoba ubani? 0.625 meters.